Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix card not added. Contact your card issuer for more information. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are trying to add card to your Apple Pay but you're having an issue or you're getting this type of a message that your card cannot be added, you have to contact your card issuer. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it might be your network issues. Very first you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest network connection, and after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go back, open settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you find connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And after that you have to go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. Enter your passcode and select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will not delete your data, it will only reset your network setting, including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and your hotspot. So once you have done all of your network setting will be resetted, you just have to try again to adding card and your payment method or your Apple Pay. Or if you're still having the same issues, you have to open your settings again, go for general, go for date and time, and you have to set automatically to date and time here. And once you have done, go back, select language and region, and select your own region here in which you are living. And once you have selected your own region, go back, open App Store here, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, tap on Apple ID, verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, and then select country or region option from here. Now you just have to look for your own country or region in which you are living. So here, once you find, select that, then select continue option, then tap on agree in the top right corner, and here you can easily add your payment method or add your card which you have. It might be a credit card or your debit card or your PayPal account. So you just have to retry here, and then you can easily add your credit card or debit card here. And once you have added, enter the informations also, enter your phone number, your billing address, your credit card here, or enter your payment method here. Once you have entered, tap on the done option in the top right corner and your issue will be fixed. Your card will be successfully added to your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.